So, I was looking at the McDonald's menu, and I've realized over the years that we've got shrinkflation. Well, your quarter pounder is actually a quarter pounder before it's cooked. So it's 4-ounce burger, and then they cook it, and it's whatever it is after you cook a quarter pound burger. But you look at the rest of the burgers. You look at the Big Mac. You look at the regular hamburger. You look at the regular cheeseburger. And those are 1.6 ounces. They call it a 1/10 pound. 1.6 ounces. You realize how much 1.6 ounces is. That is nothing. So, 1.6 ounces, and they want to charge you $5 for a burger, or Big Mac, $10 for two 1.6 ounce patty. That is ridiculous. That is shameful. When I was working for the hotel, we had the kitty burgers on the menu, and they were actually 2 ounces. 2-ounce burgers, plenty for a kid, burger and fries and everything. But now you look, 1.6 ounces for an adult on a Big Mac, cheeseburger, or double cheeseburger, or, your daily doubles, all your other burgers, 1.6 ounces. Unless, you buy the quarter pounder, which is, they claim that it's a quarter of a pound. Shrinkflation at its finest. And while McDonald's keeps making their money, where's the beef? It's surely not there. It keeps getting smaller. Then you have these other burger places that say, try our huge burger. Hello, sir. Did you order the triple deluxe? And this right here is a little high, but it's a lot better option. Quit feeding the corporate fast food fat cats. Feed your own fat cats. Cook at home.